Hi, Mufid. I copied the in-class activity 11.4 onto my sandbox so I can show you how to create the graded survey. So I'm going to leave that open in a tab, and then I'm going to go to quizzes in a different tab and create a new quiz. And if this comes up, just select classic quizzes for the quiz engine. Okay, so now I have the assignment open in another tab so I can copy and paste the information. So this goes a lot quicker. First the title, and then I'm going to grab the content under the description. And one thing is that I'm pasting a slightly different version because the process for submitting the graded survey is a little bit different. So in step 4, I changed it to select the Take Survey button, upload your file by the deadline, and select the Submit Quiz button to complete. And I will show you at the end a little demonstration of what students see. So in the settings here, make sure you change it from graded quiz to graded survey, and then put it in the correct group. I think it's the in-class worksheets for the assignments. Then add the points of this worth. No time limit is needed. You can allow multiple attempts if you want. Give a couple of attempts. If you don't, there'll be just one. And then this option, you want to let them see the responses because this will allow them to see the file they submitted. Then you set the deadline. And also you can use the until if you don't want them to submit after this date and time. And save. Okay, now we'll go back to edit so we can add the question. So go to the questions tab, select new question, and from the drop down, which is multiple choice, select the file upload question type. So in the question text area, you can add additional instructions, anything that you would like perhaps to remind them how to successfully complete this. And this is just an example. You can use something else. Make sure you update the question to save that and save the survey. Okay, make sure it's published before sharing, of course. And you can select the preview button to see a quick preview of what it looks like, mostly to the students, right? This is just a preview of the whole thing at once. But if you want to see the student experience, you can view it as the test student by selecting Student View on the upper right. The students scroll down, find the Take the Survey button. Okay, so then they scroll down again, pass all the instructions to the area where they can upload their file. So they select the Choose a File button to browse their computer, locate the file, select Open, and when it's uploaded successfully, then they can select the Submit Quiz button at the very bottom. If they do it correctly, they will have those 10 points awarded automatically by Canvas. And because we selected more than one attempt, the option is still there to submit again. Like I said, this part is optional. You don't have to allow multiple attempts. One is fine. And as they scroll down, they'll be able to see what they submitted and have access to the file that they uploaded. And that's because of the settings also that we set up. Let's leave Student View. I hope this video has been helpful. I'm going to do one more thing, and is to share this specific instance, this example that I created back with you so you can add it to your course and go from there. And to do this, I will go to the three-dot menu and select Send To. It will give me an area to search for your name. And as I start typing, there you are. I select your name and then the button Send. Okay, Canvas items sent to you will show up in your account, and they'll usually is going to be a little number next to your picture. So if you select your account in Canvas to open up this area, then go to Share Content, and then you'll see a list of anything shared with you. So select the one that you want to bring in, go to the three dots under Actions, select Import, and then type in the course ID name, which is the one that shows up when you navigate to your home page. So like in your case, it will be this right here, STMATH 126. So it needs to be typed exactly like it shows up. In this case, I'm going to use a different one, my sandbox, so I can go through it and show you. Once you put the name there, it finds the course, you select it, and you can have it go also import it into a module if you know where you want it to go, but you don't need to do that part. You can do that manually. So once this is selected, you can select import, and then it will give you that message, import started successfully. And it sometimes takes a few minutes for it to show up. Sometimes it's instant. So it will show up in a group called imported assignment. So here's the one that I just got imported. So you can take it from there. Move it to the right group, make sure it has the right settings, all of that. And then use whatever method you want to create the other instances of this activity. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions. Take care.